Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm trying to troubleshoot this HP Pavilion. This one's the old school AMD Phantom X4 with the NVIDIA video card. And then they have this memory card reader over here. You've got the LightScribe DVD Super Multi Drive with the CD writer here. And this is just an empty bay. By the way, the customer claims that when they power on or plug in the power, it doesn't show anything on the display. So it could be the power supply or the motherboard. If it's motherboard, most likely it's the capacitor that went bad or bulged or leaks. So yeah, let's go ahead and plug it in and see what it shows. The green light coming on here. Oh, there's a CD in here. So as you see, it shows nothing on the monitor. It says cable not connected. So we're gonna open this HP tower and then inspect it. Unfortunately, I cannot shut it off from the power, so I'm going to unplug it. So you got the RAM, CPU, fan, heatsink, and this is the motherboard right here. Got the hard drive, CD writer, power supply, the fan. Oh. So this capacitor is leaking. See on the top, it has some kind of corrosion. So it got leaked through. There's one over there. So the top of the capacitor is supposed to be flat. There's another one right here. It is bulged. You can see something on the top. It's brown color. Yeah, as you can see right here, this one, the black one, it doesn't bulge or show any sign of leakage. So we have two that is bad, and then another one right here. So that's three. Looks like all these are bad. Must be a bad batch of a capacitor. This one's bulged, but it's not leaking yet. So this one has a leak a little bit. And then right there too, right here. Wow, this one is bad. And then that one. And then that one right there. And then this one. Wow. So when you want to change the capacitor, you gotta make sure they are the same value, the microfarad, and then the voltage. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then the rest of other capacitor, I don't see any leaks. But they all look like the same size. You see the big one right here? It doesn't have leak or bulge. And then the black one right there. So it must be a bad batch of a capacitor. So I'm going to unplug everything, all the wire and everything, to remove all those screws. Those are Phillips screw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, let's go ahead and unplug everything. Make sure you know how to plug it back in. And look at the pin right here. That one goes to the top. And that one in the back. So the black one is the primary for the hard drive, the white one for the CD writer. So this clip, make sure you press it down. Yellow one goes on there. CPU thing can stay on there, and then we're going to remove the rest of those screws. Let's see what's the value on this thing. It's 1,800 microfarad, 6.3 volt. And this one is the same thing. So yeah, all of them are 1,800 microfarads. So I need to go check on eBay and see what's the price and everything in order to give him a quote. Alright, so I remove 2 of the capacitor. Somehow this one is broken up, the leg's still there. So this is the one. It's supposed to be 1,800 microfarad. And it's only about 1.1, which is 1,100 microfarad. So by the way, this one is too old. It's only like a 4 gigabyte. So probably not even worth it to fix it because this is an old Windows Vista. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.